never come last.
Currently, I'm working on trying to tame my little birdie. So far, I got one out of the room. This one bit the hell out of me, so he's staying in there. Let's see what happens. Okay. So I guess you can't fly. Come on. There you go. Good bird. So right now, every time I get close to this bird, it starts chirping like crazy. Goes into A. He's in the corner hiding, and we have the other one over here just chilling. Like, he's saying like, yo, relax, relax, relax. It's not that serious, relax. It's not that serious, relax. So I got both of the birds out. It was just me, I was scared of them. They're really not that bad. Their bite is a little bit, but it's nothing serious. So guys, I am on my way to pick up a, what's it called? A gecko, but it's not a leopard gecko. It's the, damn, how I forget the name of what I'm about to get. A crested gecko. I'm on my way to get a crested gecko. The people didn't have the light for it anymore. They couldn't afford the light, so I'm gonna go and take over that. So guys, I'm back after a very long day. Finally got the main thing of the day, and I fell in love. I fell in love with it. I'm not sure if it's a male or female. I have to figure out, but I am in love with this. I did not think. Oh, come here, it's okay. It's not. I am in love with what I have in my hands. Right here is a crested 2 years, I think 2 or 3 years old. Look at this beauty. She's so soft. Like the paws, whatever you call these, is like cloth. And just look at her. She hasn't had light in a while, so I have to go to Petco tomorrow and go get her some light so she could get some UV, some cows, whatever you call that. But this is the crested gecko, 2 year. Ooh, oh, that's hilarious. So I just want to make the video a little bit longer. I'm gonna make 2 videos in one day just because I fell back. But I just wanted to show you guys the birds again. Honestly, this is another reason why I'm so excited today. I had these birds for like a month or two, probably like a month and some change, and I finally grew the balls to go grab them out the cage and take them out, and now they come on my hand like it's nothing. Oh, that was not supposed to happen. There you go. I would try to get the other one, but the other one, if I go try to get the other one, this one's gonna fly down, and then it's gonna be a whole process. So thank you guys for watching. Go like, go subscribe, go check out my other videos. Yeah, that's it. So if you guys see now, I got the birdie. That's one of them. One of them is on a stick. The other one is NFL.
You're the 23.
No fucking love, baby. I know you remember me.
Yes, sir.
Who you see me as, you know I never come last. If you see me in the mix, come over and take a pic. You know I'm yours, I'm friend, but I got caught up in the mix. I must have felt like